technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Let's also tell you this breaking update that's coming in amid the vote chori face-off. It has escalated and the Union Home Minister has now teared into Rahul Gandhi and the opposition lambasting them, saying that Rahul Gandhi has been fear-mongering. He slammed the Congress's vote bank politics, saying Rahul Yatra was not on vote chori. The Yatra was to protect infiltrators. That's the latest retort that is coming in from the Union Home Minister, even as Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, doubles down on his accusations as far as vote chori is concerned. Today, of course, he, remember, has said that there is a planned operation that's going on. The Home Minister of the country now responding to him. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Pragya, who's getting us more on this. Pragya, the Home Minister Amit Shah now responding to Rahul Gandhi, saying that his yatra was not at all about vote chori, but it was to protect the infiltrators, even as Rahul Gandhi has now doubled down on his vote chori charge.
Well, the belief of BJP right now is that, all those votes that have been deleted are either of those who have infiltrated, those who have not been able to produce any sort of document that they're citizen of the country, they had been born in this country, or they resided in country for quite some time and are a citizen of this country. The proof of certificate, the proof of being citizenship is not being provided by them. Those votes are getting deleted by Election Commission. BJP believes what Rahul Gandhi is trying to do is, trying to, protect those, in fact, those who had been, in fact, at the forefront of this particular vote chori yatra, and also the politics of it is all dependent upon Ghuspaitiya Bachao. So this, the center of the politics of the Congress and the Gandhi family right now is about the infiltrators and how to save these infiltrators. And this is exactly what BJP is trying to project and portray in Bihar right now, because this yatra that has been undertaken by Mr. Rahul Gandhi along with Tejasvi Yadav tried to create fissures and also trying to project that BJP had won because they had stolen the votes. Now this is a direct attack that has come from Home Minister, saying that you are trying to protect infiltrators, and that is why you are so peeved about this whole exercise of Election Commission.
That's right. Pragya, stay with me. I'm going to get our viewers exactly what the Home Minister has said. Viewers, listen in to what Amit Shah has said a short while back.
हर बार झूठा नैरेटिव फैलाते। अभी अभी ये राहुल बाबा यात्रा कर गए ना भाई। यात्रा का विषय क्या था उनका बताओ तो जरा। यात्रा का विषय बिहार में अच्छी शिक्षा लाना नहीं था। यात्रा का विषय रोजगारी नहीं था। यात्रा का विषय बिहार में 24 घंटा बिजली नहीं था। यात्रा का विषय हर गांव हर टोले में रोड पहुंचाना नहीं था। यात्रा का विषय था जो बांग्लादेश से घुसपैठिए आए हैं उनको बचाने का विषय था। यहां इतने सारे लोग हैं, आप किसी का वोट कटा है क्या? ये राहुल गांधी की यात्रा घुसपैठिया बचाओ यात्रा थी। और मैं इस मंच से राहुल गांधी और लालू जी को पूछने आया हूं, बिहार की जनता आपको पूछ रही है, घुसपैठियों को वोट का अधिकार होना चाहिए क्या?
Meanwhile, viewers, remember the Congress continues to up its ante against the Election Commission of India. Listen in.
And it's a completely organized effort. It's very clear that the Election Commission is involved in this effort, and Rahul ji has very clearly exposed it.
Whatever our leader Rahul ji is telling is 100% true. Election Commission is acting as an agent of BJP. The whole nation knows about it. Even sometimes the Honorable Supreme Court has also chided the Election Commission for their favoritism. So Rahul ji has totally analyzed it. Our leaders have researched, and with proof they are saying, and the Election Commission has not been able to disprove it. This shows that they are in tandem, hand in hand with the BJP government.
Meanwhile, viewers, let's talk about another controversy. It's